Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to talk about the heat pump market, mainly in Europe. The heat pump market in Europe. According to the International Energy Agency, North America has the largest number of heat pumps installed, and China is the largest market. But the European Union is now the fastest growing market. You can see here annual growth in sales of heat pumps in buildings in selected regions in 2021. And here, for example, for European Union, a strong increase. Sales of heat pumps in the European Union have increased by around 35% to 2 million in 2021, thanks to strong political support in countries such as France, Italy, and Poland. Here we can see heat pump sales and growth in the European Union and selected member countries in 2021. EU market for aerothermal heat pumps in 2019 and 2020 in number of units sold. EU market for geothermal heat pumps in 2019 and 2020 in number of units sold. Market share between geothermal source heat pumps and aerothermal heat pumps in the specific segment of waterborne heat pump segment in 2019 and 2020 in the European Union. Total number of heat pumps in operation in 2019 and 2020 in the European Union. Some European policy objectives for heat pump deployment. You can see here for European Union, by the year of 2030, the target of 30 million additional heat pumps installed compared with 2022. The International Energy Agency estimates that heat pumps have the potential to reduce global carbon dioxide (CO2) emissions by at least 500 million tons by 2030, equivalent to the annual CO2 emissions of all cars in Europe today. According to the International Energy Agency, accelerating the deployment of heat pumps would have a significant impact on the global energy sector, with important spillover effects on economic activity and the environment behind the climate benefits. It would reduce the use of fossil fuels for heating, thereby reducing vulnerability to supply disruptions, helping to reduce the import bill of net importing countries, and freeing up fuel for export in the case of producing countries. However, an increase in the number of heat pumps would lead to an increase in electricity demand, which would require green improvements and greater flexibility in the operation of electricity systems to ensure security of supply, especially during the winter. The high initial cost of installing a heat pump also affects the energy affordability of poorer households. Points of attention. According to the International Energy Agency, the impact of the switch to heat pumps on the environment and human health will be positive, while positive in most cases is not without risk. The fluorinated gases, F-gases, used in the refrigeration cycles of many models are potent greenhouse gases. Proper handling can reduce the impact, and alternative refrigerant can replace them. Also, both come with additional costs and challenge. Additional cost ranges by technology in selected countries, 2022. We can see here the upfront cost ranges by technology in selected countries. For example, in violet for condensing gas boiler. Here, air-to-air heat pumps. Here, air-to-water heat pumps. And here, for ground sources heat pumps. I hope you found this presentation interesting. Here are some sources if you want to know more. Feel free to ask questions or make comments in the comment section. Thank you very much and see you soon.